you with something really, really grown, really, really sexy. I got a lot of grown ace women who follow my channel, so I'm gonna give them a grown ace look. Everybody needs one of these looks. Everybody needs one. Trust me on that, okay? This is a kinky straight, like a kinky blowout wig from CutiePieTresses. It has lace in the front, it has lace at the back. The parting space stops about right here. Let me just tell you, overall, my experience with this wig has been super positive. Now listen, when you want voluptuous, bouncy, sexy curls like this, you want to get a textured wig. They hold curls beautifully. They hold the out of a curl. Even though it's blown out, it's a natural blowout. So it's not going to be limp. It's not going to be lifeless. It's going to be really voluptuous. It's going to be really full. It's going to be really bouncy, you know, and it's going to hold your curl. Most importantly, because you can't get this style if your wig won't hold a curl, honey. It won't happen. It can't happen. Anything that you could do with your own natural hair, you can do to this hair. You can bleach it, color it, press it, curl, whatever. But you want to keep in mind that you want to treat this hair like you would do your natural hair. So you don't want to over process it. You don't want to over access it to heat and those type of things. You want to wash it. You want to condition it. You want to treat this just like your hair so she behaves the way you want her to. The melt was very easy. I just used the freeze spray method. Y'all know, hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It is perfect for me. Oh, y'all see how that moved? Anyways, I have a small cap, but they do have options, small, medium, large. My head circumference is about a 21, so that's why I got small. Average is about 22, 22.5. So if you're in that ballpark, you want to go to medium. If you're like 23, 24, you might want to go to the larger size. This wig does have adjustable straps. It has the combs, everything that you should come to expect in a unit in 2020. It has. I do want to mention this. The hairline was already pre-plucked. I want to mention that. I just plucked it a little bit more. Did I have to do that? No. I just chose to do it. Could I have left the hairline alone? Absolutely. I also tinted the lace because, honey, I needed to go with my coffee olay. That's just what that is. I love this wig. I love this wig. I feel like I should be doing something really formal and uptownish today. I'm not, of course, you guys know. I stay at the house most of the time, but I feel it on the inside. But I'm not. Yes. I just wanted to give you the specs before I went into the how-to. You guys, if you have any questions, you know the deal. Hit me in my comment section. Show love. We are on our way to 200K. Hey. I cannot do it without you. Hey. I can't do it without you guys.